Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Here we go. About to open this thing up. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is coming from Oclean. Alright. Not sure what this is. Oh. Oclean Smart Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Bada boom. We got this going on here. And if you guys want this item right now, all you gotta do is add it to your cart, check out, and it'll ship this out fast to you. There we go. Nice packaging. Oh. There we go. Alright guys, here is... Oh, come on. Aha. You clean, we clean, we all clean. There's that. And right out the box, this is what it looks like. Really nice white. Brushes. Should be easy to pull on. Yep, see? Boom. Hear it a little click. Twist, twist, twist. And now what else we got in here? Alright, YouTubers. Oh, here's the charging base. Pretty cool. And that's it. Bottom. Got the manual. Should be really easy to use. This will be a nice little travel one to take on the road with. There we go. So yeah, just go boom, USB. Yep, right there. There's a little thumb drive. Whoa. Magnetic. Bam. Really cool. Then it'll light up right here. There's a little dot. Where is it? Right there. So you gotta go like this. Boom. Looks like a rocket. And here we go. Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at the action. Really nice toothbrush right here, guys. Let's see, anything else I gotta tell? Okay, so brush head, short press, start standard cleaning plan, long press for 2 seconds for a deep clean. Red light flashes, low battery, continuous white, full charge. See right here, full charge. This will start flashing red once it's getting low. So you just gotta go boom, clip it on. Really cool. Oh wow. I'm gonna show you guys that one. There is a Install a Oclean app on smartphone and pair with a toothbrush via Toothbrush. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna get that right. Hold on one sec. Alright, we got the note right here. Just type in Oclean. There it is. There's Oclean. Right there's the second one. No, Oclean Pro. Install. Install right now. Excuse me. I think I'm coming down with the flu or something. And then we got open. Brush different, so really cool so far. This should be interesting. Deep new custom. Alright. Try it now. I gotta turn it on. Okay, register. You gotta head to the register. I'm gonna pause you guys. Okay, we just finished installing it. All you gotta do is enter your email, set up a password. They'll send you a link to your email. Once you get the email, you can confirm it, then come back to the app and activate it. So we got here, add a new device. I can change background, cool. There it is. Click on it, hit OK. Huh? Maybe now. Hold on one sec. Alright, we're gonna do this right now. But it's a really cool app. It shows like your cleaning methods and stuff like that. Really cool. So it's called Oclean app. And we go. Gotta enter my email and your password. Like I said, it's really easy to use. Here we go. Whoops. Alright. So you can, like I say, you can change background, add other devices too. It's gonna search. It's gonna pop up right there. Select on that. There we go. And it'll pop up connected or connected. And you can set the care. Contact them on their social. Standard cleaning is set time, sensitive, super clean, strong cleaning, starters, gum care, and you can always customize it. I'm gonna do that again. All right. And then you can do my device. You could go through the library and tell different tips and all the good stuff about cleaning your teeth. And here we go. Teeth condition. You can register. A lot of cool stuff. Definitely something different you don't see on Toothbrush. But this is something new. Check them out. Link will be down below. You guys have a good day. Be safe and see you soon.